The automotive industry has witnessed remarkable advancements in electric vehicles over the years. As the world transitions towards a more sustainable future, the Volkswagen ID2 is poised to redefine the landscape of EVs, promising to be the best electric vehicle ever made. With cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and a commitment to sustainability, the VW ID2 is set to captivate the hearts of eco-conscious drivers and revolutionize the EV's market. Compact and stylish design. The VW ID2 boasts a compact and sleek design, making it perfect for urban environments. With its modern and eye-catching appearance, the ID2 combines aerodynamic efficiency with a touch of elegance. It's like VW went back to its roots but came back with a whole makeover. Under its sophisticated shell, the ID2 is built on the MEB21, a slick front-drive electric vehicle architecture derived from the MEB platform that props up the rest of the ID family. It's hitting the market with two battery pack options, a 58 kilowatt-hours and a 38 kilowatt-hours. Considering their lean weight of between 3,300 and 3,500 pounds, which is significantly lighter than the rest of the ID crew, these battery packs promise a range of around 280 miles and 200 miles, respectively. The Volkswagen ID2 appears to be an exciting electric vehicle with several noteworthy features. With its base model offering 223 horsepower and the top model boasting 265 horsepower, the ID2 promises a fun driving experience. The car is equipped with a charging speed of 125 kilowatts, allowing for an 80% charge in just 20 minutes, which is impressive. One unique aspect of the ID2 is its powertrain layout. Unlike rear-driven single-motor MEB models, the ID2 places all the essential components, including the electric motor, inverter, and powertrain components, up front under the hood, similar to traditional front-wheel drive vehicles. This design choice enables a more familiar layout for drivers accustomed to conventional gas-powered cars. The ID2 also showcases advanced infotainment features. It features a crystal-clear 12.9-inch infotainment screen with intuitive menus and graphics, resembling smartphone usability. The inclusion of a traditional volume knob, ACC control panel, and a rotary dial on the center console enhances user convenience. The rotary dial not only assists in menu navigation, but also allows for customization of the driver's display layout. Additionally, the ID2 incorporates a 10.9-inch digital driver display that provides a sleek and intelligent interface. In terms of design, the ID2 aims to strike a balance between proportions and functionality. Volkswagen designers have embraced the vehicle's silhouette while deviating from the trend of oversized glass areas found in other EVs. This design tweak helps keep the interior cool, reducing the strain on the battery caused by the climate control system. The ID2 also offers ample loading space, including a hidden compartment called the cellar, where powertrain components are neatly arranged, resulting in weight reduction and cost savings. It is worth noting that the ID2 is part of Volkswagen's MEB platform, which allows it to be manufactured alongside other Volkswagen models in existing factories. This approach eliminates the need for a dedicated assembly line, making production more efficient and cost-effective. As for its interior space, the ID2 surprises with its compact exterior dimensions, but a roomy interior. It comfortably seats 5 people and provides additional storage options, such as a sneaky compartment beneath the rear seats capable of holding approximately 50 liters. The boot offers a generous 440 liters of storage, expandable to 1,330 liters when the rear seats are folded. Furthermore, there is an extra luggage compartment under the boot floor, specifically designed to accommodate 2 crates of beer, making it convenient for road trips. The ID2 represents Volkswagen's ambitions in the EV market, with plans to release additional models in the future. While the ID2 concept appears promising, it should be noted that the production model won't be available until 2026, and there may be changes to its features and pricing by then. With an expected price tag of around 25,000 euros, the ID2 aims to be an affordable EV, competing with the likes of the MG4. However, its true market impact will depend on factors such as its final production model, pricing, and how it compares to other EVs in the market at the time of release. In conclusion, the ID2 shows great potential with its performance, charging capabilities, infotainment features, design, and spaciousness. However, its ultimate success as a game-changer in the EV market can only be determined once it becomes available for purchase and is evaluated alongside its competitors. There's a slight catch, though. The ID2 is still a concept car. Its production model won't see the light of day before 2025, and it won't hit the streets until 2026. However, as a concept car, there are still uncertainties surrounding the ID2. Its production model won't be available until 2026, and a lot can change in the automotive industry in that time. Factors such as final pricing and market competition will ultimately determine its success. Nonetheless, the ID2 represents Volkswagen's commitment to electric mobility and showcases their ambition to offer affordable and practical electric vehicles to a wide range of customers. Whether the ID2 will rise above its rivals and establish itself as a true game-changer remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, the ID2 has the potential to make a significant impact in the electric race and pave the way for a future of sustainable transportation. If you like the video, press the like and subscribe button to get more info about future cars and technology.